might not be able to hear me very well. I'm in the R8, bitches. Okay. That's really fun. Oh shit, we're getting pulled over.
Maybe I should listen, not to get attached to you and you, not to get attached to you and you. But baby, I think I love you.
Boom, baby, we are in the building. Look at this crib, dude. Anyways, this is Harrison Nevels' nice little crib, you know what I'm saying? House tour. Do you just sit here and like contemplate your world takeover?
Yeah, right there.
Let me just put my feet up on the window.
So soft, it's weird. It's a $5.6 million penthouse up there. So,
dude, this is too. I feel like this. I don't feel comfortable being in this apartment. It's too nice.
this thing's cheaper than my first apartment I had here.
Yeah, but it's got like 4 right now, so.
Yeah, this one's cheaper than my first apartment. That's why I got 3 of them. Get my Dior fix. What you mean?
There's a Hermes, a Dior, Tom Ford.
Yeah, they're just like right underneath my apartment. Yeah, I just like to see what the stores have without leaving my apartment, so I just look through their window from here. Come on, Maple.
She's a little baby.
Yeah, you know that I know how to treat a cat properly, you dig me? You know how I know how to treat the pussy, you dig? Yeah, you know I know what to do with it, you know what I'm saying? Well, this is Harrison's second apartment now.
Disconnect work and life.
The fact that we even have to say that is insane. By the way, Popeyes is better than Chick-fil-A. I'm just kidding. I haven't really even had the Popeyes.
Bojangles is better than all of them.
I can't even spell that. Anyway, so yeah, this is Harrison's apartment. You got the Kmart blank. Whoop.
No, it's the back is the city tea.
Oh, duh. That's funny. I remember this. Is actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. I know nothing about that Babe SpongeBob. Shout out to Earthworm Jim though. Ooh.
This thing's cost more than anything in here. Don't touch it.
Wait, hold on. I need to open it up. I need to look at it.
No. You can open this one up.
Now I'm opening up both of them.
Oh, gee.
Oh.
Friends and family.
I was wondering if it was a Sopranos. I was excited.
No.
Bro, it's not that serious. It's not gonna devalue from you opening it out of the bag. You probably open another bag for the video.
Yeah, but I'm not trying to un-DS it. This literally
The Futura box logo. Oh my god.
This shirt, how is this one shirt worth that much? Doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah, it's pretty fucked. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's way too much money for a box logo. That's way too much money for anything. I don't even buy R8 for that price. $4,500? Yeah, right on
R8 all day.
Yeah, dude. There's no way. Oh my god, these Babesters. What size are these? These are your size. Fuck.
10. They're actually a little small on me.
Oh, let me get these.
They're mine, that Lil Wayne.
They're too small for you.
But they won't fit you. If they fit you.
Oh, they'll fit me. Double up on socks? We're good. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. That Future box is crazy. Show me some of your other Supreme pieces. You know what I'm saying?
Gonna use me for a video.
Duh. As if you didn't know. As if you didn't know I wasn't gonna make a video right now.
Well, my collection is the Keymaster on the wall.
Oh yeah, okay, so that's gonna add $2,500 to the Supreme collection amount. What size are these blazers? Are these all your shoes? So if we win, do we get a size swap?
Nope.
That's bullshit.
You know about this is why are you filming? It's dirty in here. Let's clean it up and then we can film. Like,
Do you just wear it like that?
I've never worn it.
I just need to make sure that it's really like panned out so that way people can see the Supreme spell out, you know? Just that's his towel. He just hangs it from his he just hangs it from his cock, walks around.
Yeah, that's why your CPM is so low.
Who the f is that?
Jacob decided to intrude on my apartment and say, hey, I'm gonna film a collection video.
And by the way, this is actually already in the middle because I'm already gonna put the footage of the dirty stuff. Why do you have a ass wipe right here?
So follow my Teddy Bear Supreme account.
Do you run the Box Logo Bear account? Let's show some of your stuff. All right.
Right now, it's kind of messy in here. We just did an unboxing, and a lot of this stuff is from a 25K.
Basically, his
box.
whole Supreme collection is from one box.
So. Kind of. I was showing Jacob this one. This is a Futura box.
Yeah, take it out
logo.
again for the people. You know
we already took this out once.
You're right. I'll just play that footage. It's fine. You
Yeah,
can leave it
okay,
in
we'll
there.
play that. So we have that. We've got a couple. This is just Atlanta native Gucci Mane tee.
Oh, he's from Atlanta. That's weird. I didn't know that.
East Atlanta Santa, baby. Oh, you knew it.
I have that same color. The gray one's
We
mandatory.
have the purple on purple box logo. I actually really like this one. This is
Yeah, that's pretty
a little bit
fire.
older of a box logo, but
Size large though.
yeah, this is all me. Fits perfect.
Does it?
Yeah.
That's
We have
surprising.
first edition TNF.
Yeah,
This thing
that's
is
fire. I'm so
actually-
glad
I did not
you
even
got
know
that
about
for
this
me.
before I got
That's
it.
so sick that you got
You
that
got
for me,
the
dude.
leopard print on the inside. This thing's kind of crazy. This is from 07, I believe.
Yeah, that's so sick that
12
you
years
got
old.
that for me, for real. I appreciate you.
We got the leopard TNF Nutsy green leopard.
This is so hype and people are gonna be tripping on me, but I really don't like this. I used to like this because I saw Flatbush Zombies wearing the leopard and I was like, okay, that's cool because they're wearing it and they're fucking icons.
$4 grand. I'd rather spend $250 on like just a regular Nutsy.
Yeah, it's
worry
not
about
that
it.
crazy. I don't think it's $4 grand worth.
But yeah, I mean,
And for
it's
$4
a
grand,
cool
there's way
piece.
better pieces. Like the 08 Denali's are way harder in my opinion.
So those are a couple from that. We got the American flag. This is not the box logo. This is the zip up.
But it's
Got
still
the flag
fire
dip.
with the Supreme spell out on the hood. Come
But,
on.
yeah, this one's got
Thermal
the thermal on
too.
the
Yeah,
inside.
you already know. Come on.
Size medium, a little bit small. This one, I actually just recently bought this one. It was part of a big buyout.
Yeah,
I did.
random fact. People always ask me what got me into Supreme, and like it's actually the North Face. People like, I don't know, it's not like it's super old, but this is the first piece where I really started paying attention to Supreme because I saw this and I was like so obsessed with it because I love North Faces.
So I got a couple more box logos in here. Got
You buy from
Burgundy.
City Gear?
No.
Oh.
Burgundy on Burgundy
Oh
box
my
logo.
god, why is your box logo collection already better than mine?
And then we got two more in here. This is the pink crew neck right there.
Oh, that's
from,
fake. It shouldn't be heathered like this.
2011.
Yeah, that one's fake. That shouldn't be heathered like that.
It's not fake. It's a little bit dirty, but I like the purple leather in this one.
I should
but
wear that with this fit, you dig?
I was telling you that, and you're like, no, I don't want to be all hype beast like that.
Yeah, I know. I was
And then-
joking for the video. Just let me pretend like I...
We
This
got the
is
Lion
gas.
box logo.
This is gas. That's
Pretty
one of my
flames.
favorite, honestly.
That's that's some of the more recent stuff that I got.
You got some cum stains on here?
Maybe.
Yeah, I see the cum stains.
That's just some of the clothing. I got a couple towels.
You
over
got the
here.
Supreme Louis Vuitton.
Oh wait, this is a cool one. Come here. I don't know if you saw this, Jacob. This is a Supreme rug from the Supreme store in LA. Right
The
here.
fact that you
Official.
have that is so offensive to me because you don't even care about Supreme.
This is an official rug from Supreme LA. It's a little bit dirty. I got it from a store, but
The fact that you're even like having this in your kitchen is also offensive.
it's pretty sick though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty fire. I'm not gonna lie. I really wish I had one of these. These are fire. The Supreme shop
fire.
rugs are insane, and they're not cheap.
There's not many out there for sale too, so it's hard to like get a price. But I did a trade, and these were part of it.
What'd you trade for it?
It was a massive trade. It was like 15 grand worth of stuff we swapped.
You just trade like a car for it?
Basically.
Okay.
We got a couple other like towels and stuff over here.
I like how we've shown off like 7 items and we're already at like 30 grand. Oh,
That's
the Nas is gas.
That one's for sale on my website. Check it out. This is some other stuff that's for sale right
Yeah,
now.
check out his website, Robitus and Poppy. That's the Instagram where you can buy all of his Supreme at.
Nice little babe towel. Nothing crazy. It's a little slight babe towel.
Yeah, if
In
you
that
laid on
trade-
that, I couldn't even. I honestly, all I see is floating letters.
When I got that rug, this trade included a lot of these towels, and so
The Supreme.
this is the full big box logo Supreme towel.
You need to get like a picture of you and Sophie on the beach for your honeymoon
With
with
this.
one Supreme towel, one Babe towel. That'd be pretty gas.
or both Supreme, because there's another Supreme on the couch.
Hype
The
Bay
camo.
goals. Yeah, you could have that one too. Also, all I see are floating letters on the. Is that part of the couch? Supreme? Is that a Supreme couch?
Supreme couch.
That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
As hell. Then I got a couple shoes in here, but I don't have too many. I move. We're filming.
Shut the fuck up!
I move a lot of shoes, so like inventory
move a
wise
lot,
right
like-
now, I've got the UNC's, Sean Witherspoon's.
Oh, the Supreme cash cannon?
Yeah, I've had 2 of these, but I got rid of that other one.
Those Sean's are fake.
Yeah, they're so.
See, look, because
Everything
these
that I
ones
have
are.
is fake according to Jacob.
Yeah.
EU Jordan 1.
You said you like the chocolates better than the Travis Scotts?
Recently, I've been wearing them more because I never had the opportunity to have these back in the day, and I finally got a pair now when they're cheap and they're fire. 5 of
The fact that your apartment looks like a hype beast chemistry lab is fucking weird. Like you got all these like floating, these floating shoes, like they're like little like embryos or something.
Trying to see, there's just little Supreme accessories around, like Band-Aid.
Oh, oh my God, these Band-Aids are so rare.
The rarest.
How did you get these?
I have a plug at Supreme that.
Fuck, dude. You got Black Santa? I support that. It's a pretty cool shoe though, I'm not gonna lie. I like the ridges on the back.
This
It being a
is-
collaboration is pretty surprising they didn't like do it like shittily.
SpongeBob X Bape, right there. Shout out Sarge General hooking this one up. 2007.
That's
I believe.
facts. I got a lot of love for Saru. These are kind
Sarge
of
got the
gas.
craziest stuff.
I used to want these so bad. Just because I used to
back up
love
tempos.
up tempos, which is so weird that I used to love up tempos so much because I used to hate on Jordan 1s for being too chunky, but like up tempos are way bigger. I see you with the Murakami deck. You didn't hang out the full set.
Nah, the other sets are there. I might sell it because I just don't have the whole thing. The Air Max 90s.
Damn, son. Hey! Are we recording? I think so. Yeah. So, anyways, back to what we were doing before we were rudely interrupted by these. Anyways, yeah, Babe slides, delicious.
Did not just
The
slide.
Suey Cokes. Don't disrespect me. I already know. I'm on the Suey Coke game. The fact that these yellow so much is kind of offensive to me.
Yeah, I think these
I have
really
the-
dirty and more cleaned.
I have the Air Force ones.
You guys know David Dobrik has his videos. So Jacob really wants these. David Dobrik has his videos where he'll be like, hey, let's go out tonight. And his friend will be like, no. And he'll be like, wait to the next clip. That's going to be Jacob. He's going to be like, I'm taking these. I'm going to say no. And he'll be like, wait for the next clip. And then these are going to be gone out of my apartment. Jacob needs them for a pic.
That's actually going to happen, so.
It happened when he was about to wear this t-shirt. I had to pull it off of him because he would
Okay,
leave here with
listen,
it.
guys. First of all, I want to let you guys know what kind of man Harrison is, all right? So about 8 months and 2 weeks and 3 days ago, right? I wanted a stick shirt off of him. It was a vintage stick shirt, and he was like, all right, $100. I bought it for 20, but I'll give it to you for 100. So I was like, you know what? I
said I'll trade.
I was
for
like,
his
you know
too.
what? I'll give you 150. So I gave him 150 bucks, okay? Just because that's the kind of guy I am, all right? And then he's like, yo, I want to buy that Kith tee off of you. It's a vintage tee, one of one, super rare. It's probably worth like $1,000. And so, so anyways, he offers to buy it for me. He offers me $1,000. I'm like, you know what? Nah, I can't sell it to you, right? I wait 8 months, give it to him out of the kindness of my heart. Don't even brag about it on camera or anything. And so it's just like, that's the kind of guy I am.
For the price, not
Damn,
worth it.
10 toes down in his Balenciaga.
So yeah, I don't think there's much else right now.
That's all your Supreme for real?
I've got some of my own apartment.
What's
but,
your
like,
personal?
personal? There's some stuff, just like t-shirts. I don't wear anything like too crazy.
All right, well, we're going to check those out before we bid farewell. And then we're just going to have a good-ass day. You know what I'm saying? Oh, cats are out. You got no hype?
Not here.
You don't got nothing. You got no Supreme in your personal collection. You just came out of the closet, but with no Supreme.
Yep.
We already showed that off.
I don't think we did.
Yeah, we did. I promise.
We're not gonna use that first, but I literally don't get the guy have anything down here. I don't know where it's gonna at. How's that? I got
That's actually a pretty fire piece.
the metal box.
I got 3 of those at home. Super fire.
Stuff of Sophie and I, pictures.
I'm trying to like keep it up so you don't see all the stuff all over the place. His apartment's kind of messy because we just got back from a wedding. And since he literally, that was pretty anticlimactic. Pretty anticlimactic. He's got the Go Yard, Hype Beast magazines. But you guys already saw a good amount of stuff, which means that I am able to put an extremely large dollar amount in this video and then show you guys my man's wedding that I'm out here. We're gonna take a picture right here. Wow, it is so bright right now. Oh my God. Much better. Anyways, how's the wedding, man?
Good. Now we're ready for the honeymoon. I got my cat.
Dude, how do you feel about me and
You're not putting that on video.
So yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna show you guys some footage of the wedding, and then I'm gonna head my happy ass back home. All right, peace the fuck out.
And I'm not just wanna be lonely. I feel that way. And every day I
Bye.